In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money to Malaysia with Remitly. To get started, open your Remitly account in the app or on the website and make sure you're signed in. Once you're on the main screen, look at the country shown at the top. Tap or click on it and then select Malaysia as the destination country. This step is important because it sets up the transfer options, delivery methods, and receiving details specifically for Malaysia. After you've selected Malaysia, go ahead and click Send Money. This will take you into the money transfer process. At this stage, you'll usually be asked who you're sending to. If the recipient's contact information has already been saved in your account, you can simply select that contact to save time. If not, choose the option to add a new contact. When creating a new recipient, select their country carefully and make sure the details match where they will be receiving the money. Accuracy matters here because even a small mistake in recipient information can delay the transfer or cause it to fail. Take a moment to review everything before moving on. Next, enter the amount you want to send. As you do this, Remitly will usually show you the exchange rate and, in many cases, the amount your recipient is expected to receive in Malaysian currency. This is helpful because it lets you confirm the total before continuing. If there are any fees, they are typically shown during this stage as well, so be sure to review the full cost of the transfer. Once the amount is entered, select the delivery method. The available options may vary depending on the destination and the type of transfer supported. Choose the option that best matches how your recipient wants to receive the money. After that, select your payment method. This is how you'll fund the transfer. Choose the option you prefer, then click. Continue to move forward. You'll then be prompted to enter the recipient's account details. Fill these in carefully and exactly as required on the screen. Double-check the information before submitting, especially account numbers and any required banking details, since correct information helps make sure the money reaches the right person without delays. From there, just follow the prompts on your screen to complete the transfer. Review the summary one final time, confirm the details, and submit your payment. And that's it. That's how to send money to Malaysia with Remitly quickly and correctly.